Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you my weekly Walmart haul, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's get on with the haul. The first thing I picked up is this tee from Time and True. So this one has a crew neckline, really nice stretchy fabric. This puff sleeve detail has a little bit of ruching on the side with that baseball style stitching. It's more of a relaxed fit through the body, really good length, and then that same fit through the back. This one is $10.98, size is extra small to 3XL, and I did size down 1 to a small. It's still more of a relaxed fit, so you could size down 2 if you want it to be really nice and fitted. It comes in 3 other colors, so it also comes in solid black, fuchsia, and peach, and this is the really pretty blue. I think it's such a cute take on a t-shirt with that little ruche detailing. You can dress it up or down. I have it paired with white skinny jeans from Sofia Vergara, little white sandals from Madden NYC, and my No Boundaries tote for just an easy little casual look. The next thing I picked up is this square neck top from Free Assembly. This one has a squared neckline, really nice, kind of thicker linen material. That's what it looks like up close. Also has this gathering flutter sleeve, just a nice flowy fit through the front and then also in the back. It was $20, it's now on sale for $12, sizes extra small to 3XL, and I did size down 1 to a small just because it is more of that relaxed kind of fit. Lots of really good colors. It also comes in a blue, there's an orangey red, and 2 stripes, and a pink stripe, and then also a baby blue and white stripe, and then it also comes in solid white for your really good neutral. But I think these are so fun to style. You can really dress it up or down, pair with your slacks and a pump for more of like a dressy look, and then you can also always throw on your denim. I have it paired with my Free Assembly shorts that I shared before. I did size up to an 8 in those just because there's not a whole lot of stretch, but I really love them. They have that more like trendy style short, and then also the Madden NYC slides that I've really been loving, just for more of a casual look. But I think this top is gonna pair really nicely with all of your straight or skinny pants or jeans, just because it is more of that flowy style, so you want to balance it out on the bottom. The next thing I picked up is this little black dress from Time and True. So this is a really nice lightweight kind of rayon material, has the higher neckline with the split front. It's sleeveless, nice and flowy through the body, and it also has pockets. Scoops down in the middle, so it comes up on both sides, and then it's that same kind of relaxed fit through the back, and it has that little bit of gathering around the neck. It was $16.98. It's now on sale for $11.50. You really can't beat it for that price. Size is extra small to 3XL, and I did size down 2 to an extra small just because I remember the style last year, and I picked it up in this small, and it was a little more relaxed fitting than I like. Probably I'll shrink up a little bit in the wash, but I just wanted that more like fitted style. I'm probably gonna belt it with my No Boundaries belt. These are so good. I've been wearing them so much. You get this black, also a beige color, and then an olive for about $12. So really nice, just like belt it in, bring it in, and then a little sandal. You can dress it up or down. But it also comes in solid white, so another good neutral, a chambray, and then 3 prints, a navy like kind of bandana, then a green print, and then one other print. I can't think of it right now. But these are so good for the price. I don't think you could beat it. Just like I said, throw it on in the morning. You can go run your errands with your flip-flops, belt it, good jewelry, clutch, wear it out to dinner. So I think this one is so good. I also picked up this maxi length dress from Time and True. So this one has the little ruffle detail. Super soft kind of t-shirt material. It's nice and fitted through the body, has pockets, and then a little tier at the bottom, and it flows out. So it's more fitted, and then it scoops down to like a swinging skirt. The back comes up, and then has that same kind of coverage, gets really nice and flowy to the bottom with the tier. So this one was $20. It's now on sale for $15. Sizes extra small to 3XL. I also sized down 2 in this one to the extra small just because I want it to be nice and fitted on top. Probably gonna belt this one as well. and it comes in 3 other colors. So it comes in solid black, which is also so good, and then 2 like ombre style. So there's a red that kind of gradually goes to the bottom with like a burgundy, and then also a teal where it's like a brighter teal and then it gets more darker towards the bottom. I think this is another one of those really easy summery dresses. You can throw it on in the morning, go do all of your errands, go grocery shopping, post office shopping, then you can really dress it up, belt it, can do your heels, jewelry, dress it up. It's really nice, like comfortable, stretchy, breathable material. So it's gonna be really good for your outdoor event. If it's hot out, could throw a denim jacket, that'll be really cute. And then I paired it with my Jessica Simpson denim jacket that I've been sharing on here for years. I really love it. I'll be so sad when it's gone. And then a woven belt that I picked up from Walmart last year. It's a woven belt from No Boundaries. I'm not sure if they still have it online. Just for like a fun little casual daytime outfit. The next thing I picked up is this 2-piece set from the brand Kindly Yours. So the tee is really nice, relaxed fitting. It has the crew neckline, relaxed fit through the sleeves, and they are rolled up. Relaxed fit through the body. It has this graphic going through the stripes in the orange, blue, and baby pink. And then it is a longer kind of flowy t-shirt and the same kind of fit through the back. Also has a stripe going down the side in that orange color. And it has a little slit. The shorts have an elastic waistband, really cute lettuce trim with the drawstring. Super flowy, also has pockets, and they are rolled up with that same kind of fit through the back. So this 2-piece set was $20. It's now on sale for $10. So you get each piece for $5. How good is that? And it comes in sizes small to extra large. I did get my usual size medium because they are running low in some sizes. And I would say it's more of an oversized fit. I could have definitely sized down to the small in this one. It also comes in a blue color. So I think both of them are really cute. I might pick up the blue as well just because I love this so much. This looks like something I'm definitely going to be throwing on when you get home at night. You want to put something comfortable, but you don't want to put pajamas on. I think this one is going to be so adorable. I also picked up from that same line this color block sweatshirt. So this one's a crew neckline, has that terry on the inside. There's stitch detailing, drop sleeve, and then there is ribbing on the wrist with the gathering. So relaxed fit through the body, has that band at the bottom, really nice length on it, and the same fit through the back. So this one was $20. It's now on sale for $10. Sizes small to extra large. I picked up my usual size medium. I would say the sweatshirt is true to size. If you want it to be a little shorter, a little more fitted, you could definitely size down in it. Then if you want it to be nice and oversized, you could size up to, you know, get that coverage if you want to throw it on with your leggings in the fall. Be really cute. I think this one's going to pair so nicely with the t-shirt and shorts. And then they also have the blue option, so there's multicolored blue in that color block. But I think they're both so nice. The next thing I picked up is a pair of the Sofia Vergara stretchy kind of pull-on jeggings. So these have that black stretchy band at the top, nice and fitted through the leg. And they get smaller, and that's what they look like on the inside. So you can see that super kind of stretchy jegging material. The back has that high-waisted look, so you do have that really good seam detailing, and then it's that same kind of solid fit through the leg. So these were $19.50. They're now on sale for $12.50. Sizes 00 to 18, and then she usually has plus as well. I did get my usual size 6. I would say they are very true to size. If you want a little bit more comfort, you could size up. There's still like more of like that stretchy, you know, fitted style. So I think if I sized up in these, I probably could get away with it. Wouldn't be too baggy. Unless you're like thinner through the legs, and I would probably get your normal size. These come in 7 other washes. So this is that darker indigo. It's called the dark wash. They have a light chambray. They have a mid-tone. So many different styles in these. I think they're so good for the price. Really easy. You can dress them up or down, do like a really dressy top and heels, or like over the knee or knee boots in the cooler weather. You could do your chunky sweaters with this. You could do a little sweatshirt and sneakers. So just a really good, easy pair of jeans. Next thing I picked up is this skirt from Time & Tru. So if you watch my channel, you know I've had my eye on this one for a while. Has that nice flat seam in the front with the elastic in the back. So it's super comfortable. Really nice tiers all the way down. So you have that one kind of lace trim, and then it's the poplin fabric, super flowy with the eyelet see-through trim right there. And then you also have that eyelet trim at the bottom. That same kind of flowy fit through the back. So these were $26.98. They're now on sale for 15 sizes, extra small to 3XL. I did get my usual size medium. Not sure why. I probably should have went with the small, just because I am a little smaller in the waist. And, you know, this is more of a flowier, oversized fit. But I think these are so adorable. It also comes in a navy. So that one's really pretty too. And then a floral print that has the green kind of crochet. So this one's another easy one to dress up or down. You can just do your tank, the skirt, little flip-flops, easy casual outfit. Throw on a denim jacket if it gets a little cooler. And then you can really dress it up with your dressiest tops, like white, like lacy kind of over the shoulder top is going to be really cute. Your bodysuit is going to pair really nicely with. And then your really dressy kind of strappy stiletto heels will look really cute. I just paired it with the Time & Tru white V-neck tee and little flip-flops for just more of a casual look. The next thing I picked up is a sneak peek item. So this dress is from Time & Tru. It has the little flutter sleeve collar, Henley style buttons, and then more of a relaxed fit through the body. And then the back has the seam detailing with the gathering. Super nice and flowy, easy like transition piece. You can wear it now with your sandals. I have the green and burgundy tote from Time & Tru that matches really nicely. And then this is going to transition really nicely into fall with your cardigans, denim jackets, little boots or booties. These are $16.98, sizes extra small to 3XL, and I did size down one to a small. Comes in a navy floral and then a black and white floral, and this is the green. So I just think these are, like I said, really good transition piece. I love the color on this and just so fun to style. I also picked up a pair of the No Boundaries high-rise flared leggings. So these are really nice and stretchy. They have the thicker waistband, the super soft kind of microfiber material. So that's what it looks like up close. Fitted through the thigh, and then it gets really nice and flared to the bottom, but not too flared. That same kind of fit through the back. The material on this is so soft and comfortable. These are $9.48, sizes extra small to 3XL, and I did get my usual size medium. They're very true to size, just super easy. I think they pair in really nicely with like t-shirts. You could do a little tank, flip-flops, denim jacket. I have it paired with the Time & Tru Rolling Stones tee that I shared in a previous haul with the denim jacket for just an easy casual look. So I really love these. I also picked up this sleep dress from Secret Treasure. So this one has the scoop neckline, really nice, super soft, stretchy fabric. It's fitted through the front and then kind of flows to the bottom, and it also has pockets. And then it comes in a little bit in the back. So it's not like a complete racer back, just a tiny bit. And that same kind of flowy fit towards the bottom. This one was $9.98. It's now on sale for 7 sizes, extra small to 3XL, and I did size down one to a small. Comes in a bunch of different prints and colors, a solid blue, there's like a fuchsia, a gray and green kind of palm leaves, and oatmeal palm leaves. So I'm gonna probably wear this one as like a throw-on dress. It is that t-shirt kind of material, so it doesn't look like a nightgown to me. You could definitely wear it as a nightgown. It's super comfortable, but it's not sheer or anything. I think you could belt it. You could throw a denim jacket on. I have it paired with the Time & Tru footbed sandals and then belted just for a little casual look. So I think for $7 and change, you really can't beat it. The quality on these are so nice and they're super, super comfortable. I picked up one pair of sunglasses. So these are from Foster and Grant. I saw an episode of the Beverly Hills Housewives, and Lisa Rinna had a very similar style. The only thing that was different were the lenses. So I was like, I'm gonna go pick them up. So they're probably like a really good designer dupe. They have the tortoise through the arm and then the front with the little opening there. The lenses are kind of like a gray. And then that's what they look like on. So I just thought these were so cute. They're $9.97. They have the UVA, UVB lens protection. I also picked up 2 pairs of shoes. So the first pair I picked up, these were not in stores. I ordered them online. They're from No Boundaries. They're a platform kind of flip-flop. I think maybe I did see them in one of the stores. They were probably a return, but I haven't seen them just like in like all of the Walmarts near me. So they do have like quite a high platform, and then this is all cushioned. I thought these are gonna pair really nicely with all my flared and like boot cut jeans, little shorts and dresses. They were, I think they were 15. They're now on sale for 10. So really good price. They come in a bunch of different colors, very true to size, and super, super comfortable. And then I also picked up these from Portland. So I showed them in the last shop with me. I think they were an online purchase and returned. So I really fell in love with them. They weren't in my size, so I decided to pick them up online. So I got them in the black. They have all this grommet detailing, the foam on the bottom, lots of metal hardware, and then the little buckles. I have so many black sandals right now. I probably should have picked them up in the gold. Those were really pretty too. I saw them both in store, and that's what the bottom looks like. These were $26. They're now on sale for $13.99. I think I paid $14.99 a couple days ago. So really good price on these. The quality is so nice. I just tried them on and they felt really comfortable. So I definitely recommend. They look super cute on. Really nice for the price. So that is it for today's haul. Thank you so much for watching. If you're participating in this month's $50 Walmart giveaway, make sure you leave that fruit emoji down below. Today's the last day, and I'll announce the winner in next week's haul. If you like these hauls, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.